So yan guys, it's Sunday morning and of course, kailangan natin pumunta ng church because it's God's Day ngayon. So, ayan yung anak ko. Yan, say hi kuya.
Hi.
Say hi, Alpha. Where's Alpha? Alpha, say hi.
Hi.
Hi. So ayan guys, we're already prepared to go to church na. So si Mrs. is nauna na siya because may practice pa sila ng kanta, hindi sila nakapag-practice kahapon. Para mamaya. No, wait lang, love. No, not that. Balik mo yan dun, balik mo yan.
Ah.
Ay, balik mo yan, bilis na. Hindi yan yung shoes na gagamitin, hindi. Hindi.
Basta. Bahay kubo, halimunti, alalaran, arisari-sari, sigamas, ang talaw.
Yeah. So to guys, yung shoes daw na gagamitin ni Alpha. So nabili lang namin kasi Visoria eh. Oh, no, the other feet. Tara, ayan. Let's go, kuya, here. So mag-walk ka lang, love, ha? Walk lang tayo ngayon, ha? Walk ka lang. Mag-walk lang si Alpha, ha? Okay? Yeah. Ayan, makunguha pa siya ng food niya. Magbabaon daw siya. Pero meron na kasi, love. No need na mag-take dyan. Bilis na. Let's go.
Okay.
Close mo na yan. Very good, very good. Okay, okay. Are you doing well dyan, ha? Behave ka lang, ha? So, I'm holding your hand para hindi ka mahalaglag. Pero nakahawak din siya, eh. Behave, behave. Ito yung pambayad, ha? Ikaw magbayad. Tapos hingi ka sa kulit, 50. Okay? Yeah.
Hi.
Ha? Car. There's a lot of car. Uh-oh. Ha? Bus. Very good. Oh. Ayun na, tama na. Nagawa na. Walk inside. Bilis doon. Ayun si kuya, oh. Sunod ka kay kuya. Oh. Let's go. Are you scared of that guy? Just don't be scared. Let's go. Let's go. Yay! Are you scared? Ayan si kuya, oo. And is that one ni Santa. Ayan. Okay, you up. Thank you, kuya. Oo, open. Can you push too?
Push.
Yep. Thank you, kuya. Thank you. So we're now going up na. Yan. Oh. Okay, door open. Oh, there you go. Oh, let's go na. Go, kuya. Go out. Let's go, love. Uh-oh. So sweet, this little baby girl. And also this kuya, kuya big boy. No? Oh, go. Bilis. Thank you, kuya, for being strong. Thank you for being strong. For helping me holding that bag. Kahit na it's heavy. Yeah. Pa? Hi.
Hi.
What's that? They play ping pong here. You want to play ping pong?
Papa,
Ha?
Pimple is so
Ha?
It's so hard to use the
So,
ping pong.
kahit na. Magti-training naman eh. They'll teach you how to play. They'll teach you how to play. You want that? Oh, here's Cloris. How are you? Hi, Cloris.
They're making a video for
O ano? Hi,
They're
Cloris.
making a video.
Ano na, nag-practice na kayo? O, tara na, practice na. Yay! Bilis na, go! Go down! Bilis! Go dance! Yan, so wala pa tao kasi maaga pa talaga. Yan, so yan pa lang yung oras natin. 9:25. Ang start is 10:30. So 1 hour earlier kami. Halika lang, halika. Halika na dito, halika na dito. Ara, ayan na, aham. Oh, ahay. Ayan, kasi nagkulit, nagtalon. I love you po. Do you love your papa? I love you so much. I love you so much. Okay, what's that? Airplane? Alpha? What's that? It's a worm? Oh. What's that? That's for dogs. That's for dogs. No. Hindi pwede sa'yo yan. That's for dog. Come on. Oo, for dogs yan. For dogs. No, you're not a dog. Come on, let's go na. Oh, are you a dog? Diba hindi naman ikaw dog? Lola. Sino pa?
Mamay.
Lola Mamay. Of course, I love Lola Mamay. Oh, sino pa? Please. Do you love?
Dog?
Dog? We don't have dog, but I love dog. Do you love Mama? Do you love Mama? Come on, answer it. Do you love Papa? Do you love Kuya? Do you love cockroach?
No.
No. What about, do you love yung poop? Do you love poop?
No.
No. But do you love pooping?
No.
No? You should poop. You should always poop every day. Okay, what more pa? Do you love chocolate?
No.
No, you don't love chocolate. Okay, do you love food? Do you love bread?
No.
You don't love bread, but you eat bread every day. Do you love what's that? What's that do you love? Do you love banana? Huh? Do you love banana? Do you love apples? Do you love orange? Do you love the color red? Do you love Do you love animals? Do you love yung dog? Do you love the butterfly? Do you love the cockroach?
No.
No. What others yung hindi mo love? Yung fly. Do you love the fly?
No.
No. Do you love Lola? Do you love Mama La? Do you love Lolo Ju? Do you love Tito? Very good ah. Do you love Tito Glenn? Do you love Tito Joseph? Do you love Tito Romel? Do you love Tito Ellie? Do you love Yuno? Kuya Yuno? Do you love Cloris? Do you love Tita? Do you love Tita Kambal? Do you love Tita Roseanne? Very good. What about si Alpha? Do you love Alpha? Do you love Jesus? Galing ah. Kiss mo na si Papa now. Can you kiss your Papa? Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I love you all.
And
Flying kiss. One more, flying kiss. Come on. Bye-bye.
bye-bye.
Oh, do you like that? Do you like the plants? Do you like to touch the plant? Okay, that's the leaves. Say leaves. Leaves. What color is the leaves?
Leaves.
What color?
Leaves.
Color green. Green, okay. Hug mo na si Papa. Hug na si Papa. Oh no, what happened to that? Is that dirt? Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Come on. Oh, hug mo ito. Oh, ala, ang dirty na ng hands.
No.
Dirty na ng hand.
No.
Oh, show your hand. Dirty?
No.
Oh, paano yung heart? Paano yung heart? Heart! It looks like apple.
Apple.
Okay, let's go na. Hug mo na si Papa. I love you.
Apple.